Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zahra Anastia. I from PBIA. The implementation of the Cambridge Lower Secondary English Curriculum Teachers Voice at one private school in Palembang. Introduction. English has become a subject that is taught to the student at school. They find that there are various reasons for learning a foreign language, which are for study purposes, adapting to the new culture of the country in which someone lives, for international communication with people from different countries, and for international communication with people from within their country. The learning process consists of supporting materials and strategy included in the activity. During the learning process take place according to Lismina. Literature review, teacher perception, the nature of curriculum, the importance of curriculum. The teacher's perception are important to this study. Perception is an emotional or intellectual reaction to or regarding something or someone. Cons- Consciously or unconsciously, we judge person, things, or even throughout our lives. In curriculum, there are so many things that must be considered in order to be direction and purpose of the curriculum itself. The components for student defined curriculum as something that includes the process that are used to determine the need of a group of learners to develop aims or objective for a program to teaching materials and evaluate the language program that result from this process. Impact on administrator, teacher, and student. A curriculum allows administrators to provide a dynamic educational program for current and prospective students. School, college, and universities attract students with a variety of quality, competitive, and flexible program curricula. The Cambridge curriculum in lower secondary school. Cambridge lower secondary means that the Cambridge curriculum is for students who are still uh, 20, 25 year for English subject. His subject foster a lifetime love of reading, writing, and speaking. It gives students transferable language abilities for analyzing and generating spoken and written materials, as well as collaborative work. It also increases student confidence, creativity, and intellectual curiosity. Methodology, research design, site and respondent. Qualitative research with a case study approach was selected in order to know such a phenomenon, dealing with the teacher perception towards the implementation of Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum at one private School in Palembang. A case study means that we can explore and understand an issue, issue or problem by using case. Case means process, activity, or program in real life. Data collection and analysis. In collecting the data, we use interview for obtaining information from teacher of English that aim to know their perception about the implementation of Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum at Singapore, Indonesia school. In analyzing the teacher perception of the implementation of Cambridge Lower Secondary English, the researcher uh, follow some steps. They were first we prepared information about the interview, transcribed in, and then took notes of interview material. Second, the researcher read all the data carefully so that the researcher could find a general meaning. Third, the researcher analyzed the data and labeled the category. In other words, it was called coding. Fourth, we generate the description through coding and then it was categorized into terms. Next, we represented terms in the qualitative narrative. In the other words, the researcher described the information that had been analyzed. It was related to the research question. Finally, we interpreted teacher perception about the Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum. Conclusion and recommendation implication. Based on the result of the thematic analysis of the data, we found the three stages of implementing Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum. They were program development, implementation of English, and evaluation. The first stage was program development. There were 6 points in the program development. 6 points in this stage. They they were the teacher adapt the teacher follow and adjust the scheme of work. English as a guideline. In the English instruction, the teacher adopt Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum materials. For English instruction, the teacher create a unit plan for the English instruction. The teacher used a variety of material research for the English instruction, and the teacher prepared students to follow Cambridge Lower Secondary English checkpoint. The second stage was the implementation of learning. There were 6 points in the second stage. They were the Cambridge Lower Secondary English place, more focused on student writing skill. The teacher engaged students during the learning process by having them reflect on their daily such as confidence in teaching in Cambridge Lower Secondary English curriculum. The material provide an opportunity for students to the student attributes such as confidence and reflective by media instruction at school and Cambridge Lower Secondary English material are suitable for the student. The last stage was evaluation. Based on the teacher perception. There were 4 points. The teacher followed all of the assessment tool from Cambridge. The level of Cambridge's questions is higher thinking order than Indonesia for English assessment. The result of student performance in Cambridge Lower Secondary English Checkpoint in the accordance with Cambridge and the form of Cambridge Lower Secondary English Checkpoint are easy, tick a box, and writing. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.